Technology is evolving rapidly these days, and this is driving unprecedented change in all industries, particularly manufacturing.
In order to satisfy your customers going forward, you'll need to change as a business.
Building better products is part of it, an important part. Creating better processes, yeah, but ultimately it's about building a better business.
This is your chance to ask, how will business get done in my industry in 20 years, and how can I lead the way? What do we mean by digital transformation? Digital transformation is all about the customer experience, customer engagement. Companies are now shifting from being product companies to service companies. Today, customers want the ability to customize a product, they want the ability to configure that product, and they want to connect to that product.
We're at an inflection point today where we need to rethink what we make and how we make it at a fundamental level.
The first thing you can really do is start looking at just what are some of those repetitive tasks that you're going to have. And I like to talk to engineers about that. I like to talk to sales guys about it. I like to talk to the manufacturing floors. Like, what do you do every single day that you don't even think about anymore? You just do it. After you've started to map those out, you get this bigger picture, more of a holistic view of really all the areas that a company can benefit from this transformation.
No matter where you are in your digital journey, there's something you can do to transform your business. Some way you can use data to separate yourself from the competition. Automation in manufacturing applies to every part of the business: sales, engineering, and manufacturing. It's going to open up possibilities for you to rethink how you go to market, how your business functions, and the type of workforce you need to drive your business into the future.
Really, we are a partner in a long-term journey as we move through the whole company, from the sales to where you ship a product out the door. That's our focus.
There is certainly a place for you in the future of manufacturing. In order to carve out your niche, you have to consider what you make and how you make it, and be willing to transform your business in order to delight your customer.
We've been involved with thousands of companies all over the country who are going through this exact same thing.
Reach out to us today. We're here to help and would love to have that conversation with you.